Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and it is today market update for August 27, 2020. If you look at the SPY daily chart, so the trend is still up. So every day the market is continue to make it high, low. It means that the trend is still up. However, in the short term, the market they have some resistance at the 350 level here. So we just want to see tomorrow if the market be able to break out, they will continue to go to upside. If it's not, they will pull back down. They have a strong support here. If they drop below here, they can come down here. So let's see where the market is heading to. But overall trend is still bullish. So anytime they pull back, the people will continue to buy the dip and put it in the upside. And if you look at the day trading today, you see the market when the market opened today at 6:30 Pacific time, you see the market is kind of choppy. They stay the whole night sideways, and then they push it back up, they slam it back down, they put it back up, they slam it back down. But the overall trend is still bullet. They still stay above the moving average. They still stay above the uptrend line. So the people just jump in, jump out. So we'll be able to guide our members so that they can get in and get out and take some quick profit on the up and the down for the first an hour, and they done for the day. So if you have been following me on a lot of stock that we're looking at, the market is very bullish. Like Microsoft, it put it in a new high, and AMGN, it continue to put it in the upside, and the Tesla, it's tremendous moving up because they make all-time high and continue with a very strong momentum. And PYPL, it's still PayPal is still holding very well there, and couple of stocks like McDonald, okay, it also go to the target also. This one that we highlight in our weekly market forecast for the last 2 weeks, and then they run from here up to the top right now. So they are at the level of a resistance right now, and a couple of stocks that on the way up, like BYND this morning in our live trading room. We'll be able to guide the people that the market they're going to put it back up from this level and go straight up, and then they hit the resistance and then they pull back a little bit. So a lot of stock like Visa, if you look at here, if we highlight here in the weekly market forecast, I jump right here, and in couple of days get out with a net profit for $5,136. So this is the second method besides the day trade every day to make some quickly income. We also do a swing trade so that the people can make a bigger profit potential. So this is how we do every day in our live trading room. So this is how we trade on a swing trade. So if you learn this method, you can make good money for yourself also. All right. So this week the market right now is still in the upside. The Dow is still try to catch up and get to test the all-time high. The NQ is very bullish. They hit some resistance. They pull back, but now they try to find a way to go back again to retest it to see what happened. And the Russell 2000 a little bit fall behind, but they are trying to find a way to put it back up in the upside right now. And gold, they put it back up early, hit right into resistance, and people slam it back again. So they are still in the sideways correction right now. And oil, they try to bounce back up on the hurricane, but they still in the correction right now. And surprisingly, bond, they shoot it up early in the morning, and after that they slam it down hard. So they are fall up the down the support the upper support trend line right now. So technically it's a bond in trouble right now. So they continue go very far on the downside right now, as you can see. Okay, so the euro it goes sideways, it goes nowhere, and the Bitcoin it try to stabilize at this level. Let's see if be able to put it back up and find a way up. Okay, so this is all I have for you this week, and we'll see you in the next weekly market forecast, and let's see where the market going tomorrow. And if you would like to see what we do every day, please subscribe to our YouTube. And if you want to learn more how to trade, how to make some extra daily income, as well as to learn how to swing trade to make a bigger profit potential, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and we see you on the weekend.